Kaya ngayon lang ako magla-lunch. This is my lunch. Luto tayo ng so later we eat. Kaya luto na yung iba.
ก็เอาลงเหลืองไข่ยังไงคะชิ้นใหญ่ที่มันข้าวลงเหลืองข้าวกล่องละ20งั้นเอากล่องหนึ่งข้าวกล่อง
Kailangan natin ng suka. Dito siya na dahil di ko naintindihan. Ito na lang ibabayad ko 1,000. Kaya na ko kung magkano. Hindi siya naintindihan. Ito 1,000 babayad. So
110 บาท110เหรอคะเก่งเขาจะมามาโอ้ดีดูผ่านแรงทุกอย่าง
sasend niya lang sa atin. For rice this one? So that is the rice. Kaya hindi ko lang paano nilagay bawang. And then may pipino pa. Tapos yung chicken. So magbabayad na tayo. This is my payment. So nagbayad na ako. Hindi ko alam kung magkano. Kaya 1,000 yung binayad. So let's enjoy. Tomorrow is another day. Kain muna tayo. Thank you. So yun, 60 pesos lang pala siya. Hindi ko kasi naiintindihan eh. Kasi binalik sa akin yung 1,000. Nagbigay ako ng 100. Sinukuyan ako ng 40. Kaya pinakita kasi ko ng 100. Kaya alam ko na yun lang ibabayad ko. So, may sukli pa akong 40. So hindi siya ganun kamahal. For the food. Okay. So yan ang finished food product ko. So may suka pa siya. Thank you!